everyone, John Cruz here at Cruz Auctions, getting ready for the Auburn Auction and Show right here, Labor Day weekend. We have this 1949 Alfa Romeo 6E 2500 Super Sport Cabriolet, beautiful Pinin Farina coachwork, and this car has been completely restored, so it's high quality, which is the type of car we have here at the Auburn Auction, and it's been in some wonderful collections. It's a numbers matching example, and I used to own a car very similar to this, and it is one of those cars that has incredible lines, it has incredible presence, but it's also really enjoyable to drive. So when you think of a car that everyone's gonna like, I can enjoy driving, but also I can take to a show and win, this is the car. It's gonna get you entry into just about every event, whether that be driving tour, Concorso, certainly any other show would be the star, and one that you know as a numbers matching, fully restored, it's been a great car collection. It's just a great example. So I invite you to check this and all the other great cars we have at this year's Auburn Auction out at cruiseauctions.com. Get registered to bid. You can bid in person, you can bid on the phone, you can bid online. Just get registered, make sure you don't miss these great cars. We'll see you at the auction.